Hey friends, if you wish to disable or enable grayscale mode on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for color filters in the Windows search bar and go to color filter setting and then turn this on and everything will become grayscale. If grayscale is selected here, I mean obviously we have many other options too, like red green and all. This is an accessibility feature for people with visual difficulties. Okay, so we have a lot of color modes. One of them is grayscale, and grayscale is the default one. So the second you turn the switch on, your system will enter the grayscale mode. But if you wish to turn this off, just turn off this color filter and it will be back to normal. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.